In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely set up and use multiple security layers on Binance, including Google Authenticator, your mobile number, and Passkey Biometric. As we dive into this guide, we'll ensure your account is well protected, giving you peace of mind as you navigate the world of cryptocurrencies. Let's start by setting up Google Authenticator, which serves as an added layer of security to your Binance account. To begin, download the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. If you prefer, you can use alternative apps that support TOTP, like Authy or Microsoft Authenticator. Once you have the app installed, log into your Binance or Binance.us account using either your mobile app or desktop. From there, navigate to your profile, select Security, then click on Authenticator app and choose Enable or Manage. You'll be presented with a QR code and a 16-digit key. Use your Authenticator app to scan the QR code or manually input the key. Remember, it's crucial to save the backup key securely. This step is vital, as it will be your lifeline if you ever lose your device. After securing it, go back to Binance and enter the 6-digit code generated by your Authenticator app, and if prompted, type in your login password. With this, your two-factor authentication is activated. Now, let's move on to securing your account with a mobile number. While specific mobile setup steps weren't detailed, it's worth noting that Binance generally includes SMS authentication or mobile verification during account registration or within the security settings. To implement this, simply add or confirm your mobile number on Binance. You have the option to enable SMS-based 2FA or opt to receive login or withdrawal alerts via SMS. Make sure your phone number is correct, receives messages, and remains up to date. It's important to keep in mind, however, that SMS-based 2FA is generally less secure compared to authenticator apps and might not function optimally if you're traveling in unsupported regions. Finally, let's add an additional layer of security through a passkey, which uses biometric login methods. First, ensure you're operating on a compatible device with the Binance app version 2.60 or higher. Your device should be iOS 16 or above, or Android 9 or above. Within your Binance app, go to your profile, head to the Account Center, select Security, then choose Passkeys or Biometrics, and finally, click Add Passkey. You can select your preferred method, such as iCloud Keychain for iOS users, a USB or NFC security key, another device via QR code, or Google Password Manager if you're on Android. Verify your email as displayed, tap Continue, and then complete the verification process using your device's biometrics or a PIN. Once set up, this passkey will connect to your Binance account, streamlining your login process while maintaining security. With these steps, your Binance account is now fortified with multiple layers of security, ensuring your assets are well protected. Thank you for watching, and stay secure.